Okay, we're going to be, this is like a doormat thing, just a carpet scrap, but it's been sitting out there for 10 years. And it's old, worn out carpet, and we just decided to give it a cleaning. So he's pre-spraying this. He's using OxyClean. 2 scoops to this little half-gallon size spray bottle. 2 scoops from the OxyClean container, just a powder. And he mixed it with hot water from the tap.
So what we're going to do is we're going to spray this. We're going to brush it so it gets agitated a little bit. We're going to let it dwell for about 8 or 10 minutes, and then we're going to clean it with the Rug Doctor Upholstery Tool. We don't know how to turn out, but it's been outside for probably 8 or 10 years.
About 10 years. Now I'm going to turn the camera off while he scrubs it with the brush, because it's going to end up maybe spraying little particles everywhere, and I don't want to get it on the camera lens. So anyway, that's what he's doing. He's going to spray it down real good, brush it. We're going to wait 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're going to extract it, which is the hand tool. So stay tuned.
Alright, this is an old carpet scrap used as a doormat. We put some OxyClean, 2 scoops of OxyClean to about a half gallon of water. We pre-sprayed this, we agitated it. It's set for 8 or 10 minutes. So we're going to use this Rug Doctor Upholstery Tool, and we're going to go ahead and extract it out and see how it looks. It's old, so it's going to look kind of bad when we're done probably, but it'll be an improvement. There's some real brown water coming out of it. Okay, we're basically done. I don't know if you noticed in the video, but this here is a sight tube where you can see the water. When I was making my first passes over, the water was coming up brown like muddy water. When I made my second passage just now, it was coming up basically clear water. So you can see when your water starts coming up clear that you've got the dirt out of the carpet because there's no mud coming up. So anyway, you can tell by looking at this thing, it's a whole lot better than it was before. In fact, when it dries up, it's going to probably look pretty nice. So it's just a format, but we cleaned it just to show people the Rug Doctor Upholstery Tool. And there's so much talk about using OxyClean as a carpet cleaner and upholstery and stuff like that. We've been trying it out, and it does work really, really good. It takes a little bit of it to work, but it seems to work real nice. So anyway, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. OxyClean, and the Rug Doctor Upholstery Tool. Thanks for watching.